welcome back to Josh Does Math. In this video, we're going to be looking at the continuity of a function. And here's our function right here. X squared minus 1 all over x minus 1. So we're trying to figure out where this function is discontinuous. And a good place to start, since it is one of the criteria for continuity, is checking to make sure that this function is defined for all values of x. So we're gonna look for that by looking at the denominator, because I know if I have a denominator of 0, my function is going to be undefined. So let's see when this denominator is equal to 0. So we got x minus 1 is equal to 0. X is equal to 1. There, that was easy. So I know that whenever x is equal to 1, this function is going to be undefined. Okay, so let's just make a sketch quickly. So at x equals 1, this function is undefined. Now let's see what kind of undefined value. Let's see if it's a hole in the graph or a vertical asymptote, what kind of discontinuity we have. So I'm just going to plug in x equals 1 to x squared minus 1 over x minus 1. So I end up getting 1 minus 1 over 1 minus 1, which is equal to 0 over 0. So this is going to be a hole in the graph here. So I'll just put a hole right there. So that's a hole in the graph. So we know that it's discontinuous there. And that's really all that I need to check, because I know that a function is continuous if it's defined for every x, if the limit exists for every x, and if those two things are equal to each other. And the fact that the function does not exist here, that's the only kind of discontinuity we're going to have here. So you can say that the point of discontinuity is that x is equal to 1. Thanks for watching.